Good day, folks. Back with another episode of Cooking with King Fletch. Today I have some monstrous ribeye steaks, some shrimp skewers, some red onion, red peppers, and andouille sausage, and some yellow corn. I'm going to be making a Cajun corn steak and of course shrimp skewers. For the corn, I'm going to be using a Cajun seasoning and these three items, which is a red onion, red pepper, and andouille sausage. And I'm also going to make a cream sauce with that, but it's going to be like a Cajun cream corn, and I'm going to add a little cilantro in there. For my shrimp, I'm going to be seasoning that with salt and pepper, and I'm going to make a thyme, lemon, butter baste with garlic. So I'm going to be basting that while it's on the grill. I'm putting it on the grill, and I'm going to go ahead and get down to business seasoning my steaks. First, I'm going to be using some sea salt, a little bit of lawrys seasoned salt, black pepper. Put some garlic powder on these. I'm going to be adding some of my Italian herb seasoning, the savory and spicy. It's in a grinder. Just grind that over. All right, I'm going to pat that in there in my steak. Pat that down on my steaks. My garlic salt. That's that lawrys garlic salt. Put that on there too. And my extra virgin olive oil. Gotta have that too. So I'm just pour a couple capfuls of that and drizzle it on my steaks. Once I do that, pat it out again just to make sure that olive oil gets distributed evenly across the layer of my steak that's going on the grill. We put this on everything. Put a little seasoning on my shrimp. Sea salt. I'm just gonna do this on one side. Garlic powder. And black pepper. Like I said, I'm gonna make a baste for this shrimp. Hey. I'm gonna use my cheat code today, which is the minced garlic in the jar. And I'm gonna take a big healthy tablespoon of that and put it right here in my little measuring cup. Probably like another half a tablespoon. All right. I'm gonna put that in there with literally a dash of olive oil. I'm going to season that with some garlic salt, that lawrys garlic salt. I'm going to apply a half stick of butter, of sauvignon blanc wine. I'm gonna stick that in the microwave and melt it down, and that's gonna be my baste for my shrimp. So right now, I melted my butter down. I'm just adding some thyme in there. Okay, this is for my baste for my shrimp. Now we got our coals burning white hot. Just stick these steaks on here, just like that. I'm just leaving this. So now I'm gonna get ready on my corn. I'm gonna put just a little bit of olive oil in there. And I'm gonna put my onions, my peppers, and I'm gonna toss my sausage in on top. Like I said, that's spicy andouille sausage. And we got all that in there going. Once that in there doing that, give it a quick stir. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of butter in there and just melt that down. That's 1 teaspoon of flour, 2 teaspoons of flour, and another half, just for good measure. Black pepper, sea salt, Cajun seasoning in there. Okay, that's McCormick Cajun seasoning. All right. So we're just gonna get in there and mix that up. You see how it turned that little reddish color? That's what we want. We want like a Cajun gravy, almost. Okay? We're just gonna break that down real good. I'm gonna add a splash of that Sauvignon Blanc. Just a splash, literally a splash. Okay? We got some nice coloration going. You see that paste? That paste is gonna be the base for my roux. we know we're ready for our cream. Okay? This is gonna all mix up right down. I'm just gonna take a whisk because you can still see some little chunks in there. I'm gonna take a whisk and take that whisk through there. Just whisk it. While that's like that, I'm gonna add a little more cream. I'll thin that out some more. Now you can see those chunks are starting to dissipate. Okay, because I took my whisk through there. As you can see, my veggies are starting to caramelize. I'm gonna add a little bit of that wine just to deglaze my pan and get everything moving. See how nothing sticks once I add that little deglaze. Increase the temperature just a little bit. Everything is starting to caramelize and cook down though, as you can see. That's so that it doesn't add any extra moisture when I begin to cook it. All the moisture is drained off. My corn is pretty much drained, so it's not going to be a whole lot of water in there when I begin to cook my corn and add it in. Alright, let that corn get the fizzling around in there. When I drop my corn in, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter, I'm sorry. I'm going to bring my sauce in. My cream sauce. And put that right on in there. Lay that right in there on top of there. Alright? And this, my good folks, is what you call a Cajun cream corn. And I'll bring you back as it finishes. You kind of want to cook the corn in what we seasoned, okay? We don't want a cream corn that's dripping more cream on your plate than what we got. We just want to cream the ingredients that's in there. So it's not going to be just extra runny everywhere. See, I'm looking nice and pretty. I'm going to just lay my shrimp over here on a cooler part of the grill. Okay, it's only 5 skewers, so it's not going to hurt nothing. Shrimp have begun to pink up. I'm going to stir into my baste, and I'm going to just put that on there. Scoop it out. Brush it on my shrimp. Scoop it out. Brush it on my shrimp. Make sure you get the garlic on all that. Let that flame hit that shrimp. Don't worry about it. It's still juicy out here in this grill. It goes back there. There's a little more heat going on back there. And there it is. Cajun cream corn, topped with a little parmigiano reggiano. Cilantro garnish on there. A little lemon wedge.